Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and to this video we're going to talk about how to sync Facebook friend on TikTok. So let's get started. As a first step, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom and click in three line at the top right. Choose settings and privacy, then privacy, and tap in this option here, sync contacts and Facebook friends. And as you can see here, you can see the option of sync Facebook friend. Simply turn on this option here, and you have to give TikTok access to your Facebook friend list and email. So this will be used to improve your TikTok experience, including connecting you with people you may know, people you share connection with on Facebook, and personalizing your ads. Tap on OK, and you have to know that your Facebook friend list will be periodically synced to help you find and get discovered by people you know. This includes people who share mutual connection with you on Facebook. You can turn this off at any time. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.